So traders, what I want to share with you right now by using support resistance, channels, and Fibonacci, I want to show you where gold may be ultimately heading up on the short term, right? This is a real short term analysis on where gold may be heading to. Doesn't mean it's going to get there, right? As if you've watched my videos for the last week, you would know that I'm getting ready for gold to have that energy building phase, right? Where we get the pullback. We've been going up for quite some time. But if we're going to have one last little move out of gold before we get that, remember, this is not the start of a big move in gold, right? Not right now. No, we're likely to have a pullback. Oh, John, you're an idiot. Gold is going to keep going up. You're an idiot because that's not how the markets work. I'm saying that because I'm just getting some people saying they think that, actually, no, I take that back. They hope gold is just going to keep going up and 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 never get any sideways, any pullback, and that's it there, right? So let's start off with this level here. So the first thing I do see that we've actually had some sort of support resistance through there, but I also see that we've actually had a bit of a level all going through here, right? So I'd have to use that level all through there as my Chanel. See that through there? So this is the Chanel that I'm using. That's right. If you treat her right, you could buy many Chanels. If you treat her wrong, meaning you trade based off what you think, hope, or fear, which is a never good idea, then she won't be giving you any Chanels. Anyway, so we have the support level through here. So if I bring up a support resistance line and I bring this up through to here, to where the channel is, up through, say, there, I can identify a possible channel. Let's see the channel there that's forming. I can now identify a possible channel. Now, what tends to happen is as we get these major swings in the markets, right? So major swings. We're going to major swing up, down, down, up, right? So with these major flows, swinging motions within the markets, right, we can see that that's what's happening through there. So there might be a little good chance we get to 3,000, maybe that's through there. But again, if you're trying to capitalize on this move here and you think it's going to go to 5,000 really, really quickly, yes, I believe it's going to 5,000. But the question is when, right? I don't believe it's going to go to 5,000 right now. And I believe, just based off this level here, that we're probably going to go through one of these periods once again after this has been done. Anyway, so that's what I'm seeing through there. Now, we can also utilize what's called a Fibonacci extension, right? If we're just trying to see where is this market likely to go to, okay? Where is it likely to go to? So if I use a low to high from this point down to here, and I see where the actual retracement was, we can see that that black line there was the extension of where the market is likely to go to. So that's sort of phase number one. Now this second move up was what? That was the low point down there. That was the high point through there to there. And this here was also the low point, right? So this is just called a one-to-one extension basically. And you can see that there, which by the way was almost to the T of where the overall bull market ended. And then we went through a period of 2 to 3 months of going sideways. And so on and so forth, right? Now, if we do it right now on this current leg or this last leg, which is that leg from that low point there, that low point there, we had this high point up through here and we have this low point down here. So if I'm utilizing the channels, the Chanels, right? Chanels, and if I'm utilizing the extensions of, because last time the extension was here and that was the target hit. And also that was the previous time. The last time the extension was there and the target hit. So we may have a good chance of actually having a little bit more rally to the upside. And X marks the spot when it comes to this extension here. So that's where, again, but that's not a big move from there, guys. If we do that, there's two scenarios that I do see the market's likely to do, right? If the market does this in here, then we're probably going to get a bit of a pullback from there. Not a crash and not a top in the markets. And here we go. Like that may form, we don't know, right? But right now, from a short-term trading perspective, we may get there. And then we start the back of another maybe a few weeks to a month of just going sideways, not much going on. Not a bear market. The market's still very strong to the upside. So we set it through there, and that's the extension through there. Or either we don't actually quite get there. We do something like that. We almost get there, and then the market does something like this on you, or this on you through there. So that's what I see there for when it comes to the gold market there, guys. Short-term targets from gold, but there's still a lot of danger when it comes to gold right now.